Hello, and welcome to Southwest Cyberport's WP Coffee Break, WordPress answers in the time it takes to have a cup of coffee. Today's topic is posts versus pages. What's the difference and why? Let's look under the hood to find out. Posts are what make a blog, a chronological succession of short articles, often including photos and with comments from readers. Posts usually occupy the landing page, the first page you find on a blog-style website, or they might be listed on a blog link on a company website. The author can add media and links, plus allow or forbid comments by readers. Posts and their comments are the beating heart of a blog. Posts are time-sensitive pieces meant to convey new thoughts and ideas. They are generally not used for static, unchanging information. You can use categories and tags to make it easier for your readers to find your content. Categories are used by the author to organize posts in a way that makes sense to them. Tags are keywords chosen by the author, which search engines use to help readers find what they want. After your post is written, you can set the tags, categories, and featured image. The featured image will appear with the text when the post is up on the site. When you're ready for the world to see it, publish the post. By default, it will appear on the site immediately, or you can optionally schedule the post to appear later. After you publish the post, click on View Site. Scroll down on the home page and see that the new post is there. But posts aren't the only content in a WordPress site. There are also pages. Pages contain static content, that is, information that's not likely to change very often. Pages are intended to help manage content, ease navigation, and explain things, like who are the people behind the site. In many WordPress themes, pages are arranged in navigation menus. Unlike posts, there are no time and date stamps, nor any comments allowed on pages. Pages don't belong to categories, don't have tags, and don't have a featured image. This is because posts are not as timely or concerned with the latest happenings as posts usually are. When you first publish a page, it exists on your site, but nobody can find it. To make the page visible to visitors, we need to link to it from somewhere. One way to do that is to put it on a menu. Here we'll create a new menu for this site. The boxes on the left list the various content available, including pages. We can add the pages we want and they show up on the menu. If we don't like the order, we can change that. Don't forget to click Save. Now this menu exists, but it's not visible on the site yet. We go to the Manage Locations and set the top menu to the menu we just created and save. Now if we visit the site, we see that this theme puts the top menu right below the hero image. We select About Us and see the page we just made. Home takes us back to the home page. We'll go more deeply into custom menus and how to control exactly what's on the home page of your WordPress site in some future videos. This has been a WP Coffee Break from Southwest Cyberport, a cutting-edge WordPress hosting provider in the heart of the American Southwest. If you need fast, secure, and friendly WordPress hosting, head over to swcp.com/coffee to check us out. If you have any questions about this, or about WordPress in general that you'd like to see in a future video, please tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.